Had to bring them to water gardens, you know. Look, they talking about, wow, look at this. This is beautiful though. I had to come here and experience this for myself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You like that? Stay along the wall, get out the way. Y'all good? Just follow Junior and Curtis. How y'all doing? How you doing? Junior, look. You could go down. Look at this. How y'all doing? All right, all right. Look, Junior, you could go down. No, right there, like everybody else. Like Curtis over there. That's a brave little soldier, boy. Be careful, Chloe. Junior, you not going with them?
I'll ask you.
You not going?
Yeah, cause that.
Where's car? Oh, you said forget that, huh? Sorry about that. Be careful. I don't know. Y'all want to come back up? All right, come here. Junior, be careful.
Wow. Can we try it out later? I didn't know that.
Be careful. Well, I'm finna grab her, y'all, and carry. Go. What you asking them for?